question you don't wanna know. Learn my lesson way too late to be talking to you. Better go to the teeth in my break, not an Oxford comma. Take what I want when I want it, and I want it bad. Lose one of us is gonna lose. I'm the powder, you're the fuse. Just add some friction.